moving on now, a Mumbai-based organization launched a website today, an initiative to ensure transparency in the working of elected representatives. The site acts as a common platform for both the government and the citizens.
Let's do something. That's the tagline for this online initiative by the Praja Foundation. The website praja.org aims to act as a common platform for citizens and elected representatives in Mumbai. The website, which was launched on Monday, aims to monitor and keep track of the work done in various constituencies.
They have studied a lot since last year. They have studied, and this is a good initiative, I think, that to communicate with all representative and public also. So it will be a transparent communication, and it will be beneficial for all, like public also, government also, and public representative also.
Among other things, citizens can also bring up issues related to their areas and of course keep track. The site has compiled information using the Right to Information Act. So users can access details like corporators' attendance in ward committee meetings, civic and other issues raised by them, and money spent by corporators and MLAs. Citizens can not only discuss issues but can also directly get in touch with their representatives. The initiative has been kick-started by the Praja Foundation, an organization set up in 1997 by a group of 8 Mumbaiites with a vision to re-establish accountability and transparency in governance. And though it does mean more accountability, political parties seem quite kicked about the idea.
When we've got a IT policy, we are very more than happy that Praja-like people, NGOs, have come up with a website where independently they can go and address their complaints. So we are encouraging these things to happen in the country.
So the next time you have a complaint regarding a problem in your area or even against the person you voted for, you know where to click. With Somushri Roy Chaudhary, Preeti Bhardwaj, NewsX, Mumbai.
With that, it's a wrap from Mumbai, but keep watching NewsX as news and updates continue from our Delhi studios.